Okay, so good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. So, in the previous lecture, we have done the snake craft. Yes, we have made the snake with the chain technique. So, we are in this lecture, we are going to do a portrait of Shivaji Maharaj. And before starting with this portrait, I'm going to explain you what is this portrait. Portrait is a word where we have to it is a thing we this is my face, as you can see uh, in this video. You can see my face, you can see my shoulders. Yes, so this is a portrait where you can see my face, how it's looking, whether it's looking in the front or whether it is looking in the right side or it is in the left hand side. So same way we have to observe the face and we have to draw it. Okay, we have to observe the face properly, how the face, how the structure of the face is there. And it is very important. Just look at this. I'll give you very small and simple idea. Just look at this. My eyes are there, right? This is my eyes. So my eyes are really, see, this is my eye line, this is my nose line, and this is my mouth line. There are three lines. The first one is eye line, the nose line, and the mouth line. When we say, see here, this is the ear. So you can see the eye line and the nose line. In the center you have got your ears. Yes, you have in the center from this eye line and the nose line. When you go in this way, your ear comes in the center of this. Yes, so these are the structures where these are the measurement which I'm going to teach you, and you can easily make it. When you draw some portrait, or when you draw the face of anyone, what many students do, the one goes up, the one eye goes down. Yes, the left one goes up, or the right one goes down, or the right one goes up, the left one goes down. So this all things we are going to today we are going to I'm going to teach you how to do this. So let's begin with this. I'm going to draw and I'm going to show you how to do it. Yes, so just look at this, pay attention to this. So first I'm going to draw a rough sketch. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay. So first what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle. Just look at this, pay attention to this class. First you have to draw a circle. Then from touching to the both the ends, you have to draw a U. Yes, you have to draw a U in this way. Yes, so this is the jaw. Yes, in this way you have to do. And then from this part you have to draw, this is the eye line. You have to, ये चीज को आपको half करना है. Okay, then you have to draw a eye line. Here comes your nose line, and then here comes your mouth line. Yes, as I've told you earlier, ये जो nose वाला line है और ये जो eye वाला line है, इसके सेंटर में ये ऊपर का लाइन को टच करेगा और ये नीचे के लाइन को टच करेगा. हियर कम्स योर ईयर्स. यस, यहाँ पे आएगा आपका ईयर्स. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द प्रॉपर फेस. ये है बेसिक, दिस इज द बेसिक. ओके, अब ये यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे जो ऑब्जेक्ट, यहाँ पे जो पर्सन है, ये आपको सामने देख रहा है. यस, इट इज द फ्रंट फेस. If I want to show the face is looking at the left, so same way what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw a circle. इस तरह मैं एक सर्कल बनाऊंगा. एंड देन ये जो यू है, इसको हमें चेंजेस करना है. सो इट्स वेरी इजी. अगर मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो अगर लेफ्ट साइड में देख रहा है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ कर्व लाइन इन दिस वे. और इस तरह मैं इसे ऐसे में एक शेप बनाऊंगा इस तरह. ओके, एंड दिस इज माय ईयर. ओके, ये वाला हो गया ईयर. This is the eye line, this is the nose line, and this is the mouth line. Okay, and this is the neck. Just look at this. ये मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है ये लेफ्ट साइड में देख रहा है. अब मुझे ये कैरेक्टर को राइट साइड में दिखाना है. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू हियर इज आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. सर्कल सब में कॉमन होता है. ओके, you just have to what you have to do is you just have to change the direction of the U. Just look at this in this tarah, in this way. This is the eye line, this is the nose line, this is the mouth line, and here comes my ears. Okay, and here this is the neck. Yes, is that clear, each and everyone? See how easy it is. Okay, what you are going to do is you are going to draw a circle. Okay, you can draw a circle and you have to draw a U. Okay, you have to draw a U. You have to divide this face into half. Then here comes your eye line. This is your nose line and this is your mouth line. Is that clear, each and every one? And from this eye line and this nose line, you have to make the ears. Yes, so this is the ear. Now what we have, I hope each and everyone is clear with this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to make the eye. So first we are going to draw a circle of the nose. From here this way, here comes the nose. Okay, we have made the nose. From here we are going to leave some space, and here comes the lips. Okay, here comes the mouth. Just look at this. Okay, after making this mouth, we are going to go upper way, and here comes the eyebrow. Okay, here comes the eyebrow. Here I'm drawing the eyebrow, and then from this part we are going to draw the eye. So just look at this. Yes, so in this way you're going to draw it. Okay, is that clear, each and everyone? We have drawn the eyes, we have drawn the nose, we have drawn the mouth. Now I'm going to draw the hairs. So here comes the hairs of this boy. Okay, just look at this. Then I'm going to detail the ears. Yes, here I am detailing the ears, and here comes the jaw. Just look at this. Here I'm drawing the jaw of this boy. Is that clear, each and everyone? So this is how you're going to draw the structure of the face. Without without practicing, you cannot just look and you cannot do it. You have to practice a lot for this. Okay, in your first attempt, in your second attempt, it will be not be proper, but when you start doing this, you will be finding really in easier. Okay, as you start practicing it, you will find it easy. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. Just look at this. So this is how we have drawn the face, and I hope each and everyone is clear with this. So let's begin with the portrait of Shivaji Maharaj now. Okay, so here I'm starting with this. So I'm going to draw the face of Shivaji Maharaj. I just show you in this way. I'm going to do it. Just look at this. I'm going to share a photo with you. Just look at this. I want each and everyone to pay attention to this. We are going to make the photograph of Shivaji Maharaj in this way. Okay, so just look at this. This we are going to do. Okay, we are going to draw the portrait of Shivaji Maharaj in this way. Is that clear, each and everyone? I hope each and everyone is clear with this. So let's look at this painting and just start with this. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with this. I hope each and everyone can see this. Okay, so let's start with this. As I've told you earlier, I'm going to draw a circle. First, I'm going to draw a circle. Then I'm going to draw, and you have to be very, you have to keep in mind that you have to use the pencil very lightly. Okay, आपको pencil ज़्यादा दबा कर use नहीं करना है. You have to use the pencil very lightly. Okay, जितना lightly काम करोगे, then you have to you have to erase all those pencil work and you have to do it. Is that clear, each and everyone? So let's start with this. I'm drawing a side face of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, so let's begin with this. I hope each and everyone can see this. Yes or no? Just drop a message in the chat box. I hope each and everyone can see it properly. Okay, so let's begin with this. So here comes the forehead. Here I'm drawing the forehead, and here I've started making the nose. So this is my nose line and this is the mouth line. So here I've started making the nose of Shivaji Maharaj. Just look at this. I'm not seeing anything anywhere else. I'm just started making this. Okay. First you have to do it roughly. Okay. Don't do directly. Don't use the pencil very dark. Pencil very lightly. Okay. Slowly you have to do it. Okay. Is that clear, each and everyone? So just look at this. In this way you have to draw it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. So here comes my eyebrow line. This is the eyebrow. Here comes the another eyebrow over here. Here comes the ears in this way. In this way you have to do it. Okay. Just look at this. Here comes the beard. Yes. Here comes the beard of Shivaji Maharaj. And now here I'm going to start making the cap. So before drawing the cap, look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, and from here we're going to draw two lines over here in this way. and here you can show the pearl. Okay, so here we have drawn the cap, and here I am drawing some hairs of Shivaji Maharaj, and from here, from this line, the neck. This is the neck of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, this way you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is the collar. Here comes the shoulder. Okay, so just look at this. This is how we have done it. Here you can make those jewelries. Do one thing, you will just make a straight line, and then you can make the jewelries. You have to do it very lightly. Don't do it dark. Use the pencil very lightly, because if you make some mistakes, so you can easily rub it. Okay, you can easily rub this. If you use the pencil dark, when you rub or erase it, you will find it really difficult to erase it. And when you start coloring, you will get some gaps in this. Okay, so it's very important. This is how you're going to make the portrait of Shivaji Maharaj. This way we are going to draw the jewelries, and you have to make the size of the proper drawing book. Okay, you have to make the proper drawing book size. So just look at this. This is how I have done it. Start with the eye line. So here I'm starting with the eyes. So I'm going to make some line over here, and this way here I'm drawing the eyes. Okay, so as you can see here, I've drawn the eyes. Just have a look. This is how you're going to do it. And here you can add the tilak. Okay, in this way you can do it. Okay, you can erase the light pencil work. Okay, you can erase the pencil work. So just look at this. So now let's begin with this. So here I'm starting with my black color. Here I'm going to start with the coloring part. So as you can see here, I'm doing the outline first. So for coloring the mustache, here I'm using brown color. Okay, here I'm using the brown color, then I'm using black color. Okay, same way, coloring the beard. This way you're going to color the beard. Just look at this. Look at this. Coloring the hairs. Why I'm using brown to show the lighter tone, okay? That's the reason I'm using brown color, and later on I'm going to use the dark brown and black color. Just look at this. Okay, here I've done with brown, and now I'm going to start doing with black color. Just look at this. You have to do it properly. Okay, the hairs, the beard. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, so here we have completed with the beard. Okay, now we are moving to the eyes. So first here I'm going to use a brown shade. And then for bordering here, I'm using a black color. So here I've drawn the eyes in this way. Just look at this. Okay, so here I've drawn the eyes, and now I'm going to draw the eyebrow. Let's look at this. And here I'm drawing the outline of the hat. Okay, so here I'm using brown color shade. Coloring the skin using a brown color shade. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just say you're going to do it. Just wait a minute. Just sharpening the color pencil. Okay, so here I have sharpened the pencil and adding some red color shade the lips. Okay, adding the red. Just look at this. And here I'm going to add the shades. Okay, so in this way you're going to do it. Just look at this. It is very important where the light is falling and how I'm adding the shades. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Yes. Afterwards, here I've got the hairs. Here comes the earring. Okay. So here I'm going to color it with yellow and with red. Okay, in this way you're going to do it, and then coloring this gold ring. Now coloring the ears. Just look at this. Okay, coloring the neck. Okay, so here I've colored the hairs. Just look at this. Now coloring the neck. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is how add the. This is how you're going to add the details. This way you want to do it. Just look at this. In this part, I'm showing the light. So here I'm adding yellow color. Okay. In this part, I'm showing the light areas where the light is falling. So that's the reason it's yellow in shade. Just look at this. It is very important how you use the yellow shade. The shadow of the beard is falling down, so it's darker in shade. Just wait a minute. Okay, so just see it. Adding the detailings with the black. Don't use a lot of black. Here comes the shadow of the ears. Okay, so in this way you're going to add the details. Just look at this, each and every one. Pay attention to this. Yes. After doing this, we are going to move on to the cap part. So here I'm adding the black outline first. Just look at this. I'm adding this kind of designs in this. Look at this. Okay, so this is how we have done with this. Now adding the detailings to this. Pearls over here in this way. This way you're going to add the details. It's actually, it takes time, but we are doing it quickly because there are lots and lots of more detailings in this, but we cannot do it right now because it's going to be taking time. It's going to take time. So in this way we are going to add the blue shades, sky blue shade for the pearls, for looking at 3D. Just look at this. And now you're adding some blue shades for the turban. Okay, just look at this. This is how you can add the shades in this. Use the pencil properly and you can do the shades in this way. Just look at this.